Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can delete your TikTok account. So it's pretty simple. You want to click on profile at the bottom right of your screen, and from inside here click on the three line at the top right. From over here click on settings and privacy, and from inside here click on where it says account, the first option. From inside account, the last option, deactivate to delete, click on that. From inside here, delete account permanently, click on that. Once you click on that, you want to choose an option on why you're trying to delete your account and click on continue. And on the next step, it's going to ask you for requesting data. So if you want to download your all your TikTok data, you can click on review request and request TikTok to give you all your data before you delete your account. If you don't want that, you can click on by continuing button at the bottom, click and continue, and then your TikTok account will be deleted. Now remember, it's going to take you 30 days to delete your TikTok account, and after 30 days it's going to be completely deleted. And if you want to recover your account, you have 30 days time period. Just relog into your account within that 30 days and it'll be reactivated, which means the deletion process will be cancelled. But that's how we guys can delete your TikTok account. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.